Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Chrysler Pacifica and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight. It's just a regular factory headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all you need to do is spray Slip Solution onto the headlight, and with a clean microfiber towel, start by removing all the contaminants that the headlight may have. So once you finish prepping the headlight, we can start with the installation. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film to the headlight and just make sure you align it right on the edge. So it should be like this, right on the edge. Now our next step is to make sure we anchor this piece first. That way once we anchor this piece, we can work our way to the rest of the film. So just lift the film, apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure it still stays aligned. So right on the edge like this. Make sure it's aligned. Grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure it in position. Okay, so once you secure it in position, now we could work with the rest of the film. And all you need to do is just a light stretch until you reach it to this edge. Once you have it stretched into the edge, apply tack solution underneath the film. Stretch it, hold it in position. Now apply tack solution on the top surface, and with your squeegee, tack it down. And just start by removing any solution that's underneath the film and just tack it down on top. Pretty simple installation. And the only thing you need to focus on after you tack down the film and remove the solution is applying heat on the top area. That way this section of the film tacks down to the flat surface of the headlight here. And to do that, all you need to do is apply tack solution on the top area, grab your heat gun and apply heat on the top surface. Once we applied a good amount of heat, then we could come back and use our microfiber towel with our squeegee and tack it down and seal the edges. So wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee like this, and then just tack it down, and the film should start sitting flat on the top surface. And that's pretty much it. And then just make sure before we post heat to clean the headlight. That way you could check and see if there's any bubbles behind the film before we completely seal it with heat. But if you see that the film is ready to go, then we could proceed with the last step, which is post-heating. So just double check, no water bubbles, should be good. Now we can move on to post-heat. So the last thing to do is to post-heat the entire headlight. So to post-heat, all you need to do is apply tack solution on the top area of the film. Apply heat wherever you see any fingers and all around the film as well. And then as you're post-heating, you can go ahead and use your microfiber towel just to help remove any solution that may be on the edges of the film, and just tacking down the film in case there is some film that's still lifting. But once you're done with this step, you'll be done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Chrysler Pacifica. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.